In which quadrant is the point 1, -3? Now the graph is separated into 4 different quadrants. This is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. We don't need to know all the details about the quadrants in Algebra 1 or Algebra, but they are divisions of the graph, and they are important to learn and memorize. You'll use it more in trigonometry. Gone ahead and labeled the x and y axis, so we can keep these in mind when determining which quadrant points are in. So point 1, -3, remember this represents x and this is y. So we'll go over +1 on the x-axis. And to get to -3, we would go up or down because the y-axis goes only in the up or down direction. And because this is -3, we will go down 3. 1, 2, 3. So here's the point, 1, 3, and we find that it's in the 4th quadrant. So I erased that so we could practice some more with quadrants. So the next point that I'm just going to make up is what quadrant is -2, 3 in? Again, this is x and this is y. So I would go on the x-axis to -2 and then up 3, because 3 is positive. And there would be the point, and it's in quadrant 2. Let's do 2, 2. So we would go over 2 on the x-axis, and then we would go up 2, and there would be the point, and that would be in quadrant 1. Where would the point -5, -4 be? We'd go over to -5, we would go down to -4. There's the point. And that would be in quadrant 3. So again, quadrants are different divisions of the graph. You'll be in quadrant 1 if both points are positive. You'll be in quadrant 2 if the x value is a negative and the y value is positive. You will be in quadrant 3 if both values are negative. And you will be in quadrant 4 if the x value is positive and the y value is negative.